Bilfinger.
This project comprises as well the renovation of Bay 3 here in Hangar 14, which used to be the decoration bay where we painted aircrafts. We use that area to house the new logistic storage and handling center for KLM Component Services.
Presently, our buildings for component services, which do repair on components and storage, are remote from each other, and we're concentrating into one building, which allows us to shorten the turnaround time, wait times everywhere.
Bilfinger Tebodin was responsible for engineering, construction management and project management for the storage facilities in this Bay 3. We were cooperating in a bow team construction in which we were equal partners in delivering this bay on time.
I'm an architect. In that sense, I stay in close contact with the users of this project. The user is not the same as the client. Our actual client is KLM Real Estate, so this brings some tension to the project sometimes as well. But I try to transform demands and the wishes from the users into a good working environment within the constraints of the project.
Turning an area which is in aircraft maintenance into a warehouse, I don't think many people have done that. It's a huge hall, it's high, it's wide, it's deep, it's not climatized. There are all kinds of challenges you run into.
There's no room for error, there's no room for correction, so everything must run smoothly. That was a big challenge, and the way that was done made this project so immensely successful.
This part of the project is delivered. Right now we awarded the contract for the next phase, it's the logistical area.
We've done a lot of projects with Bilfinger Tebodin in the past. I think the experience with other projects done in KLM, the knowledge of our processes helps a lot because that saves time in starting up, and I think we have a good team together.